Okay, next is this is the chapter 2. You need to like and subscribe. Press the button in her lake. Okay? First, this is... Okay, pwede natin to set sa YouTube. Siyempre. Uy, stop it.
I'm gonna fall.
I just wanted to go.
Iyan mo na siya.
Okay. You're so cute. Buddy, where are you going? Oh, you need a blanket.
Yan.
Hey,
Huwag mo
need a
kalimutan
cover.
i-video mo blanket. Yan. Ako, bibili pa ako ng more na ganyan na worms.
Okay.
May ibang worms. May
Di ba may superhero worms tayo?
super worm.
Yes. We have all.
Try ko kaya siya maki-ano.
Yarang. No, 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 kuya. I think it's escaped. Yes.
Okay, you can escape.
That's here. I'm gonna show my baby.
Okay, wag.
Oh, yes.
Kasi send natin sa YouTube.
What do you understand?
Hulog ko to sa kanya.
Where is he? Oh, there. Ah, look at my little stick. If it's itchy, you know, so you're not gonna watch that. Ah! Kuya, did you get my stick? Oh, here. Okay. I'm gonna grab him next. Okay, he's... But can't you book out the ants for me? How can he...
Let's feed him some ants.
Oh, yes.
Dito mo lapag mo muna siya. Banday mo siya. Okay.
Here, madami yung ants. So, bad you need to get ants.
Ang patipwet!
Yeah. We cannot lose
put
him,
him
right?
Just put him down. I just wanted to walk.
Let's walk him. Daddy, you need to walk. Where are you going then? What? Okay.
Now I'm going.
No, you need to go down the way. Wait, what is this hour?
Yun. Sa plastic, lagay mo.
Where is the plastic?
Pupo, natagal ang pupo.
Uy. No, kuya.
Yeah, video.
Oh, yes.
Huwag mo makakalimutan yan.
Okay, it's going there. Okay, selfie time. Where is he?
Oh my God.
Because he's stolen this. He's back.
Pagkiti natin pinudok kit ka yan. May bouncy castle siya.
Well, let's get him now.
Okay, pakawalan na natin siya. Let's free him.
Kuya, hindi na natin pepet siya.
Hindi pa pet ano. Papakawalan na lang natin siya sa plastic.
Yes.
I think ayaw niya no.
Here you go. We need a blanket because he's itchy. Right? Yay!
Ako assistant mo.
Yeah,
Yan,
lalagay
look at
ako
pets.
ng gamit. Okay, this is Argasiras, dapitan na ang daan. Okay, we live in the Philippines. And today we're gonna do this. My sister is my cousin go anywhere. We will see him later. We cannot catch that. We can hold the phone, you next.
Okay, now I'm gonna hold the
Yes.
phone and this is my little brother.
Little brother. We don't own post. Okay. My pet. My pet. Here's mine. He's mine. Kuya, anong kinakain niya? Let's gonna go. Kuya, huli ka ng ant. Ay, kuya, take care mo muna siya. Ako na dito. Okay, first we're gonna catch an ant. We need to dive it. Kuya, what is zoom?
I-zoom mo.
Kuya, I'm gonna find some ants. No ants. Oh my god. There's one there. Where? Oh.